What if I told you that a part of your consciousness is already experiencing your desired reality? This is not just a magical concept, but a scientific reality. Quantum physics proves that you have the power to shift between different realities. Everything you desire already exists, and a part of your conscious being is already living those dreams. This ties directly into Plato's statement. Reality is created by the mind. We can change our reality by changing our mind. You can shift into that reality with quantum jumping manifestation, but first you will have to understand what it is and how to do it. Stick around until the end and I will explain what quantum jumping is and delve into advanced methods to quantum jump and achieve that desired shift in our reality. Quantum jumping is a technique that involves utilizing quantum mechanics and the law of attraction to improve the process of manifestation. This method allows individuals to access alternate or parallel universes with different energy levels to enhance their manifestation abilities. The underlying principle of quantum jumping is based on the idea that there are multiple quantum realities linked to our universe, each possessing a unique energetic vibration. By tapping into these realities, practitioners can optimize their manifestation capabilities. By using the quantum jump method, you can harness its power in your life and take advantage to manifest your desires. This method involves focusing on specific desires or a goal, then using visualization and the power of your mind to jump into a parallel universe, a universe in which that goal has already been achieved. To manifest their deepest desires, one can practice quantum jumping by visualizing their desired outcomes and connecting them to a physical experience. Quantum jumping allows access to quantum realities, known as quantum green studios, where individuals can explore various quantum states from a ground state and manifest their desired outcomes by entering into a new version of themselves. At one point in time, the particles inside of us could have been entangled all the way back to the beginning of time. Everything is connected. Everything in life has an energy signature connected to Source or God. Everything is composed of constantly moving, changing energy, and everything has consciousness, which means everything has the same access to the quantum field. We are connected not only to each other in the present, but to all time and reality. That means whenever you touch an object, you give it some energy, and you gain some of its energy. The concept of infinite realities aligns with the philosophical musings of renowned thinkers. The great philosopher Immanuel Kant, in contemplating the nature of reality, asserted we see the world not as it is, but as we are. This sentiment underscores the subjective nature of our perception and sets the stage for understanding the fluidity of reality. Every time we make a choice, we have the opportunity to jump to a new reality. You see, quantum jumping is easier than you might think. Think of it like this. There's an infinite number of realities that exist around us that we have the ability to tune into. It's almost like a video game where you can level up and acquire new things by sheer progression. When we talk about quantum jumping, we are essentially discussing the power of manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing our desires into physical reality through the power of intention and belief. It is based on the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like, and quantum jumping could be considered the most powerful law of attraction technique when fully practiced. Quantum jumping takes manifestation to a whole new level. By utilizing the principles of quantum physics, it allows us to access the quantum field and shift our consciousness to align with the reality we desire. By doing so, we can attract and manifest our goals and dreams with greater ease and efficiency. The concept of quantum jumping manifestation has its roots in classical Eastern spiritual beliefs and practices. In the East, meditation has been used for centuries to reach deeper levels of consciousness and unlock the hidden potential of the human psyche. Over the years, a variety of meditation techniques have been employed to explore the boundaries of human possibility. Quantum jumping manifestation meditation is one such technique that has gained popularity in recent times. We are going to explore this in detail later on. The idea of quantum jumping was first introduced by Dr. Amit Goswami, a renowned quantum physicist and spiritual teacher. According to Dr. Goswami, quantum jumps can be used to access alternative realities that exist beyond the physical world. He believed that reality is not fixed, but is rather made up of an infinite number of possibilities. Through the power of meditation, we can tap into these potential outcomes and experience realities that are not accessible through our physical senses. Dr. Goswami also suggested that the power of intention can be harnessed to create quantum jumps. By aligning our thoughts and desires with the energy of the universe, we can elevate our consciousness to higher levels and unlock the full potential of our being. Through quantum jumping manifestation, we can access new levels of awareness and potentials that are not available in the physical world, thereby enabling us to create a life of our dreams. Quantum jumping manifestation, a spiritual practice gaining popularity in recent times, enables practitioners to gain deeper insights into reality by analyzing different viewpoints and accessing higher states of consciousness. It involves the use of quantum mechanics principles to jump between parallel universes. In search of solutions to problems and to connect with the higher self, the technique has been shown to enhance problem-solving abilities, increase self-awareness, and bring about positive outcomes in both the physical and spiritual domains. The essence of quantum jumping lies in the ability to transition from one state of reality to another. This process is not governed by external forces, but is fundamentally a mental and perceptual endeavor. The quantum leap is achieved by supplying sufficient mental and emotional energy, thereby altering conscious states and opening pathways to hidden dimensions or parallel realities. As the eminent philosopher William James once remarked, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that a human being can alter his life by altering his attitudes of mind." Quantum jumping encapsulates this sentiment by emphasizing the power of conscious intention to shape the reality we experience. If you want to create a reality, it won't magically happen just because you want it. You have to take action. The real secret to creating your life is to feel it. Your heart is much smarter than your mind. Biologically, we have two personalities, the brain and mind, and the heart and body. Neuroscientists have found that the memories we call up easiest are long-term memories connected with strong emotions. These feedback loops condition the body to literally live in the past. The key to breaking these feedback loops exists in the heart. Once your heart and mind are unified, you can begin to see miraculous changes in your material reality beyond anything that you can fathom. The subconscious mind is responsible for storing memory, both real and imagined. It has the ability to process an astonishing amount of information, estimated to be around 400 billion bits per second, which is exponentially more than what we experience in our conscious life. However, it cannot differentiate between true or false, positive or negative, as it simply processes incoming data. Despite this, the subconscious mind has the potential to cure diseases and alleviate stress. Furthermore, the mind is unable to distinguish between reality and vivid imagination, which means that it is possible to manipulate it to believe anything. The human conscious mind processes information at a much slower pace than the subconscious mind. It can only handle around 2,000 bits of information at a time, and it requires grouping to process them. Additionally, impulses in the conscious mind travel at a speed of approximately 150 miles per hour, which is much slower than the subconscious mind speed of 100,000 miles per hour. Because of this, the subconscious mind is considered one of the most advanced forms of technology available to us today. We are essentially trying to hack into our minds. Today is the commencement of your intention, not tomorrow. Acknowledge that you are exceptional and establish your goals. Our subconscious is the heart that directs us. To revolutionize our lives, we must revolutionize our thought process. To transform our thinking, we must access and convert our subconscious mind. Now we will delve into this advanced quantum jumping manifestation method. But first off, I must emphasize the key to effective moving quantum jumps is to let go of your past and to believe. We cannot manifest what we don't believe. All limits are self-imposed. Once you start creating filters in your mind, even if there is truth to some of them, those beliefs can become limiters. These quantum states are said to exist in different realities on higher energetic levels to quantum jump. One must take a deep breath and focus on the quantum energy of a specific alternate universe. It's important that your state of mind is calm and relaxed before you sit down for meditating. This is one of the advanced techniques of meditation. To access dormant parts of your brain, you can make use of a simple technique. When meditating, focus on your breath to maintain your calmness during the process. It is important to allow yourself to detach from your current reality and let go of any thoughts that might be distracting you. Deep relaxation of your brain and body will make the process of letting go much easier. It is important to observe without reacting to energetic patterns. This means that you need to be open and curious about the quantum energy around you. By doing so, you can gain control over your life. It may be tough at first, but try not to attach any meaning or immediate reaction to events. It is essential to cultivate stillness through mediation, which allows you more room for clarity and understanding. By doing so, you can become more than an observer and take an active role in creating positive outcomes within yourself and others. Having the right mindset is a fundamental aspect of achieving a reality jump. To do so, you need to open your mind to the possibility of completing your journey to your desired reality. It's crucial to believe that you can attain alternate states of consciousness, which will enable you to acquire information and ideas from the part of you that already exists abundantly. To achieve this, it's essential to maintain an alternate state of mind and practice deep breathing techniques while focusing on your mindset. In addition, using affirmations while in a deeper state of relaxation can help prepare you for a successful reality jump. This will be the place from where you can shift to your desired reality. Imagine the vast expanse of space and galaxies connecting yourself to the universe. Focus on the thought that you are one with the universe and all its realities. From this place, you can manifest all your desires into your reality, or you can also jump to different realities. If you want your dreams to become a reality, it's crucial to visualize them with utmost clarity. When you focus on something, it is important to be mindful of where your energy is being directed. Make sure that it is aimed towards achieving your desired outcome. Develop a positive outlook and trust that everything will work out in your favor. Regardless of any obstacles that may arise along the way, reject any external influences that try to dictate who you should be or how you should act. Instead, take charge of your own identity and decide for yourself who you want to be. Create a meaningful personal narrative based on your own choices. Recognize whenever something happens, good or bad. In reality, having command over situations is yours. They don't hold power over you anymore. Every little detail counts when it comes to manifestation. You'll need to concentrate your thoughts on your deepest desires and goals, and allow your heart to guide you. As you engage in this process, try to cultivate feelings of gratitude, joy, excitement, and hope. Imagine yourself leading the life you've always wished for. It is crucial to maintain unwavering focus on achieving our goals, regardless of any external forces that may attempt to distract us. By resolutely adhering to our desired reality, we can expertly shape the world around us. Refusing to succumb to doubts and negative influences is a powerful tool in mastering this process. The act of meditation is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your goals and dreams. When you open your eyes after meditating, it's essential to believe that everything you have thought of is coming to fruition. You must trust and have faith that you are opening your eyes in the reality of your desired outcome. This may feel strange at first, but it's crucial to remain focused on the end goal. Remember this: the power to create your reality is in the present moment. Make choices with intention and only give life to what you want to experience now. The past and the future can't happen without a conscious decision in the present. Quantum jumping manifestation is a way to explore different versions of reality and connect with your higher self. By focusing on positive thoughts and using quantum energies, you can tap into a flow of life that can help you achieve your goals. This technique can raise your vibrations to levels where you can unlock new possibilities and create your own reality. By implementing these strategies, we become better equipped to connect with our higher self or consciousness, improve the clarity and focus of our minds, manifest our desired outcomes, and break free from the limitations of our conscious mind. Critics have raised concerns that the concepts related to quantum physics and alternate realities are being misused and misinterpreted by some individuals who are using them to support their New Age beliefs. The scientific community agrees that phenomena like quantum tunneling and quantum jumping are only observable at the subatomic level and have limited relevance to our daily lives. However, as scientists continue to conduct experiments on larger scales, they are discovering quantum behaviors that are observable in the macroscopic world, bridging the gap between the microscopic and larger scales. Many experts now believe that everything in the universe, including ourselves, exists in a superposition of multiple potential realities. Reports from people around the world regarding their experiences of alternate realities or parallel universes, such as recurring déjà vu, different times, or vivid dreams of alternative lives, align with this theory. Meanwhile, physicists are exploring the existence of parallel universes to explain the observable world and its phenomena. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider commenting your thoughts, liking the video if you enjoyed, and subscribing to the channel with your bell notifications on to never miss out on future uploads. Thanks again and have a great day.